Hello, Vision Baptist congregation. I'm Matt Berry with First Choice, and as you can see, I've been doing a lot of ripping up at your church. We got everything filled in. Now it's time to make the decision of what plants we're going to put back in and what bedding material. We've got a couple different options. As far as bedding material, we want to choose between mulch, which can be done black, red, or like a brown. Then we also can do pine straw, or we can do rock. Now, of the three, I would kind of advise pine straw. Rock's going to be a little bit, it's going to increase the budget a little bit, but it will last longer long term. So here are a couple examples of some rocks that we have, and here's a couple examples of some pine straw jobs that we have. And here is a couple examples of some mulch that we have. Now, as far as the plants, what we're looking to put in is a mixture between sunshine ligustrums, which will give a nice vibrant yellow, and then go to like an off green during the off season. Some drift roses, which grow out instead of up, so they're more like a hedge. And then some encore dwarf azaleas, which are basically baby azaleas. They're dwarfs, so they don't get too big, but they do bloom 3 times a year. We can get those in a few different colors. So these are the plants that we're looking at, and a mixture around. And then also this will be the easiest to maintain. We're talking about 2-3 times a year max, trimmed. Give you some nice color for pictures around the church.